In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Systeme.io with Paystack. This integration is essential if you're looking to streamline your payment processing and manage your business efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you prefer. Then, head over to the search bar and type in Systeme.io. This will take you to their official website, which is your initial gateway to setting up this integration. Once you're on the Systeme.io homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials, ensuring that you have the right email and password, and then click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for today's instructions, let's assume you already have one ready to go. After you're successfully logged in, you should be on your dashboard. Here, look for your profile picture, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Settings. The Settings page is where you'll find all the back-end configurations that allow you to customize your Systeme.io experience. Now, within the settings, look for the option labeled Payment Gateways. This section is crucial, as it's where we will establish the connection with Paystack. Click on Payment Gateways, and you will see a list of available payment options that can be integrated with Systeme.io. Scroll through until you find the Paystack logo. Next to the logo, there's a Connect button waiting for you to click. This button initiates the integration process with Paystack. After you click Connect, you will be prompted to follow a series of instructions that guide you through connecting your Paystack account with Systeme.io. Pay close attention to each prompt, as missing a step might lead to issues later on. Most of the prompts are straightforward and designed to ensure that your connection is both secure and functional. Once you've completed these steps and everything looks good, search for the Save button, typically visible at the bottom or side of your screen. Clicking this button finalizes your integration. It's an important step to ensure all your settings are properly updated and recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Systeme.io with Paystack, enabling a smooth payment processing experience for your business. Remember, this integration can greatly enhance your operational efficiency, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than managing its financial transactions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.